What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video. And today I got a night POV drive for y'all. I tried to make one earlier, but bro, it was just too much traffic to even drive. So I doubt I'm gonna use that footage because it was really nothing. But right now we're on the way to a car meet. I hope it's a meet. I hope it's not a takeover. Bro, they going fast as hell. I hope it's not a takeover, because if it's a takeover, I'm leaving. I don't do that. But we still got 16 minutes on the way there, so we're gonna see what we got in store for this drive. But yeah, somebody told me to do another. Damn. Somebody told me to do another do more POV drives, so that's what we doing. Because we just gotta do what y'all like. I ain't gonna look. I was just about to say that's a cop right there. Oh hell no! So getting over here. Let me put my phone down. Oh, he going to get somebody for. Oh, he getting them niggas that was just flying. They was just going fast as hell. Oh, I was just about to say I gotta turn my radar on. He cutting up to get up there. Y'all want me to catch him? Uh oh, he got their ass. On your ass, bitch. But it's Friday. Y'all know you're not supposed to drive fast on Friday. Especially in no city that is a party city. I don't know if y'all consider Atlanta a party city, but niggas always going out and going to parties, so that's why I'm saying that. But that's crazy. We just witnessed that. Boy, if I was up there and they would have started driving behind me like that with the lights on, I'd have been scared as hell, even if they wasn't pulling me over. Damn, he caught all the way up to them. I ain't gonna lie, I wonder how hard that is to keep up, like, with what car is speeding. Like, but they had to be going like 80. Speed limit 65. Y'all saw how fast they passed me. I hope y'all did. But bro, he's all the way up there. They gotta be running from this nigga. Like, what? They definitely running. Gotta be. And those wasn't no fast cars, I don't think. We're gonna see if they catch him. Bro, that nigga is gone. He's definitely chasing him. I don't know if y'all saw the blue light, but he's gotta be chasing him. But this POV will probably come out before the car show video, so y'all make sure y'all come back for the next video, because it will be the car show video. Or, well, I don't even think it's a car show. I think it's just like it's not a car show. It's like a park and chill, I think. But I hope it's on like a good place where we're not gonna get in trouble, because bro, I don't get in trouble with the law. Knock on wood. And I don't like to be in trouble. So if it's I'm just trying to chill, bro. Just trying to chill, you see what I'm saying? You call me what you want, but I'm not trying to get into nothing. Because as you see, they out. Oh, we right here. This the exit, my boy. Alright, let's see if we can get some little sound going on in this tunnel. Y'all hear them pops? Oh shit. Y'all hear that? This is a little tricky one right here. Not really. Damn. Y'all hear that? I ain't gonna lie, I want to test. Damn. And see how fast you can turn in like a Mopar. Because this one, I can turn so fast in this car, bro. It don't make no sense. The hell is that noise? Alright, my fault, y'all. We back. Let's see if we can get some pops right here. Damn. That shit sound good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. The bad part about Atlanta is, one, it's Mopar land. It is Mopar land. So first of all, when I see Charger headlights, I don't think it's a Hellcat, even though that's probably what it is. I don't even remember what I was saying. Oh yeah, I see Charger headlights, Charger taillights, and I got PTSD from it, I ain't gonna lie, but anyway, we're not gonna talk about that. But yeah, like, I see that junk scare me, bro, cause, bro, ain't this Memorial Day weekend? You know they on it right now. It's the first weekend day, I guess. The first weekend day, does that make sense? But like, this one, people gonna be out, and every time I see a blue light, I'm scared as hell. Downshifting by itself. I'm not even trying to make them noises. But if y'all see this on Memorial Day weekend, make sure y'all drive safe. That's the #1 priority for real. Drive safe. Don't drive if you drunk. Oh shit, APD. Don't drive if you drunk, bro. Alright, we're back. But bro, yeah, like I just said, drive safe. I just seen a car accident. I didn't see the car accident, but I saw the people pulled over from the car. Damn. From the car accident. So y'all make sure y'all drive safe, drive responsibly, drink responsibly, even if you're not driving. Well, I'm about to scat you, man. Thought I just seen a nigga run a light. Goddamn. We poochie. Big ass curves up here. Oh shit. Alright, y'all. That's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure y'all tune into the next video of the car, whatever is happening. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.